Welcome to SEAVIP application tutorial. SEAVIP application tend to enhance visually impaired people social life quality by using face recognition technology. Without further ado, let us start the tutorial. First, you may add a face record by pressing Setting button, Add Face button. In this face recognition page, you may select a photo from the gallery. The most significant face will be cropped out. Besides, you may obtain a face via camera, which include device back camera, device front camera, and external USB camera. Then, you may fill in the name and complete it by clicking the Save button. Now, you can proceed with camera-based face recognition. By default, the continuous output is on. You may long press the toggle button to set the output interval. Besides, except the bottom right corner, there are 3 recognition buttons located at each corner. You may do short clicking or long clicking to the button. When short clicking is applied, only the most significant face in the camera view will be analyzed. On the other hand, when long clicking is applied, all the faces in the camera view are analyzed and output the summarized result. Now, a demonstration is shown for camera-based recognition.
This person is Priscilla Chan. The identity of the 3 faces are Mark Zuckerberg, Priscilla Chan, and 1 no recognized face. This person is in happiness. The emotions of the 3 faces are 2 happiness, 1 neutral. She is adult. The gender of 1 face is male and 2 faces are female. The age range includes 2 adults, 1 child.
SEAVIP application also assists visually impaired people in virtual world. User may do face recognition on the current screen. Let's start with obtain simple information via talkback service.
To 22 years of brotherhood and music making. Happy birthday at Angjunyang, Shengri Kwaila, 22 Nyanda Yukin Heiyin La Huo Ban. Photo 1 of 2.
Moving on, user can open the SEAVIP floating widget from the notification bar. Upon pressing the floating widget, the current screen image is analyzed and a summarized result is spoken as below.
7 faces are detected, 2 Junjia faces, 5 no recognized faces.
User may move their finger on the screen. When the user points to a face, the detailed result of the face will be spoken. For example,
Junjia he is youth and in happiness.
Last but not least, user can add the face into the database by clicking the face in the floating widget. A dialog box will be prompted. After filling in the name, user can press the Save button to complete the adding process.
Success saved.
Moving on, user may also manage their face record. First, user need to select a face at the left pane. After that, user can edit the person name and click the Save Edit button to complete the process. Besides, user also can merge the face collection. For example, Junjie and JJ Lim are the same person. So, user can merge the person by renaming JJ Lim to Junjie. Moving on, user also can delete a face from the face collection by clicking the X button. Or remove a person by clicking the Remove Person button. Lastly, if a user accidentally damages the face record, they may do database restore. On the other hand, user can set daily backup for the database to avoid loss of face record. That's all for the tutorial. Thank you and have a nice day.